Part of a multiplication table is shown. What two numbers correctly completes the pattern in the table? Enter your answers in the table. So a key phrase right here is multiplication table. So let's go ahead and redraw this multiplication table to make it a bit bigger, so that way we can go ahead and show some of the patterns that are in the table. So that first row has 18, 24, 30, and so we want to predict what's in that square. And so the pattern going across is that we keep increasing by 6. And so 24 plus 6 gets to 30. So if we add 6 to 30, we get 36, and that's going to be our first answer. If we go on to the second row, we can see how the second row increases as well. So 21 to 28 and to 35 and to 42. The difference between each of these numbers is also 7. So you could be adding 7 going all the way across. And so this is really our 7s row. And if we go back to the top one, that's our 6th row. Now taking a look at the third row, which has the other blank, has 24. We're going to skip this for now, and now we're going to go to 40 and then 48. So when we look at the difference between 40 and 48, this one's growing by 8. So if that's growing by 8, that means that 24 plus 8 will be the next number, and 24 plus 8 is 32. And just to check it, 32 plus 8 equals 40. So we know that 32 is a good answer, and this would be our 8th row. And just to go ahead and finish our patterns here, we have the last row is just 27, 36, 45, and 54. And that's going to be our 9s row, as each of these increases by 9. So there's our multiplication table, and if we wanted to go ahead and draw this out with labeling the top as well, we could put that 3, 4, 5, and 6, and you could do your traditional multiplication table work to get those answers. Again, this is Yo-Yo Juice Sticks showing you one way to solve a problem. You may have another way to solve this pattern problem. As long as you know how it works, you can explain it to others and it makes sense to them, and it's correct, then you have a great way of solving a problem.